me first.
No, let's go. Okay. 3, 1,
Hey.
go.
Yo.
You started it. Remember that. Dude.
Come on. Come on, dude.
Hey!
Right now.
You got it, cuz? You got it?
All right, guys.
Yeah, put your hands down and don't touch anybody. Put your hands down and don't touch anybody. So am I. So am I.
The 19th of March, 2024, Tampa International Airport, Florida. A passenger was removed from a commercial aircraft after committing assault, making racial threats, and refusing repeated crew orders to exit. Charged with 2 counts of battery and 1 count of disorderly intoxication.
Universally karmically mess you up.
I think he's got a bag.
That's what I was just about to ask.
Yeah, I saw him put it to somebody.
So I can sit right back down.
Do you have a bag you want to grab or anything before you get off?
Don't attack me with 2 individuals against 1.
Is he sitting down?
Yeah, I was just...
No, they're gonna have
I didn't hit anyone, so you're yeah, it's okay. Raising my voice to a female, I'll see about it with you.
With what?
You as a woman, and it's because I'm sitting down and I'm lower than you. That's not the point. That's not the point. No. I don't like drama. Don't. I don't know why you're laughing. I'm moving. Hey, you know what and stuff? No, it's all you all teaming up. You see how most of the people are white here? Yeah, so you were like, I'm trying to get to my home country and you all people made it harder for me to get to my home country. I'm telling you.
I want to see you up front, cuz.
Sir?
Go up to the front.
Sir.
You gotta go outside. Come on.
Hold on, let me
But
go.
this is the big guy.
Hey.
Okay.
Come on. Let's
Are you
go.
gonna chuck me?
No, we're not
you
gonna
get
have
none.
that fight. We're gonna go here.
Hey, I didn't get in your face.
Daniel,
you told me to get out.
311.
I have a ticket.
311.
Yeah, I have a ticket.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
No.
Go ahead, cuz.
Hey,
Hey,
let's
you
go.
touched me first.
311.
You took me first.
No, let's go. Okay. 3, 1,
Hey.
go.
Yo.
You started it. Just remember that. Dude.
Come on. Come on, dude.
Hey!
Right now.
You got it, cuz? You got it?
All right, guys.
Yeah, put your hands down and don't touch anybody. Put your hands down and don't touch anybody. So am I. So am I.
I'm right here. Look. I'm right here.
You're gonna walk or you're gonna be nice?
We have a couple
Walk. Turn around and walk.
Let's go.
Turn around and walk.
Thank you, guys.
Turn around and walk. Walk. So am I. Walk. Walk. Let's go.
Everybody out of the way. Please. Oh, my God.
Still down there?
Have fun. He's at the end.
Them, yeah.
79.
Thank you for coming.
Good.
Well, police are here, so just comply and we'll work out, all right, my man?
As long as there's a lawyer for me.
You'll definitely be legal, sis. Legal act.
All right.
All right.
All right, stand up.
Wait. Roll over. You gonna help me? Roll over. Bend your knees. No.
Come up to your knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Get up.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hey, my shoe.
Yeah, just stay put for a second.
My shoe.
Do you want to see what happened? I'll take him up.
My shoe.
Yeah,
and I'll
let's see what
defend.
happened.
And I'll defend
Come
it.
on, let's go.
I'll defend it as long as I have a lawyer.
Okay, let's go.
Make sure I have a lawyer. Have you watched? My name is Khan. You've watched the movie? Have you seen it? You heard about
Make way.
For an innocent.
James, ready to go that side door? That's the truck.
For innocent civilians.
That door's not here.
I need my shoe actually. I need my shoe. You know that, right?
I got your shoe.
Yeah. What? Yeah. All right. You're being hard to game me.
Go.
Go, go.
Go.
Get out.
Go, get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
Move. Yep. Hey.
Yeah.
Hold on. Put your shoe on.
Yeah.
Fix those cuffs. Lean against the wall. Spread your feet.
I want a lawyer. I want a lawyer right now. I want a lawyer. I have money to
Got it.
back. All right.
Other side. All right, you got it. Do wood first. Yeah, spin them around.
I want my public defender right now. I want my public defender right now. Wait, why are you twisting my arm?
Got it.
Okay, okay.
Hey,
A little more.
hey, you resist, man. It's gonna get worse.
I'm not even resisting, man. So, you hurt me.
Easy, buddy. You're hurting yourself.
No, no, I'm not. There's
Take this
humans touching me that are hurting me.
Turn your wrist. Turn your wrist.
This was my parents' idea of moving me, you know that, right? I told them I would love to, and now this is what your airport does. I'm taking you to the Supreme Court. I'll tell you that much, kiddos. Taking you all cops to the Supreme Court.
Face the wall. Face the wall. Spread your feet.
guys.
Spread your feet.
I'm spreading it, guys.
More.
I'm spreading it. I'm spreading it.
We got this cuff's all jacked.
Sam, Henry, Adam, Ida.
Do you have a car?
Yeah.
Want to do a transport?
Yeah. I'm right here at the step. I'll have to move to where the truck court is.
Yeah, that's fine. Once you do that, we'll put them in your car and do the transport for us. That'd be great.
Alright.
All right, let's walk.
Right, let's walk nicely, okay?
Whoa, why are you doing that on a walk? I thought this is freedom of speech country, and I did not violently hit someone before me. I'm just, okay, so innocent. It says don't mess with that. Jesus says that. Don't mess with innocence.
You have a
I'm telling you, don't mess with it.
California license plate, driver's license, but you have.
But I have a what and what? Yeah, good for you. You're a fan of me. I see it. You're a fan of me. When you embarrass me this much, you're a fan of me. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. What are you trying to say about my wallet?
31.
Please move out of the way. Move out of the way.
Do I understand
Move.
that the 15 at least one time? That's 10-4. He said negative results for that name with American and Spirit for tonight. 10-4 first y'all contacted the other agency. Let them know. 10-4 will be. We're just being out the sun of 15.
So you have a California driver's license, but your address is on.
It's in Florida. It's in Florida.
But you have a California driver's license.
That's right, and I'm also a U.S.A. naturalized citizen.
So do you
And will you add that part? Will you add that part? What you
Do
say?
you live in California or do you?
No. The address says Florida on it. Look, read it right. Read it right. Read it the right way.
I just want to see if you were violating the United States.
No, I'm saying I got hit. I got hit one of those. I got hit by one of those air guests of an airplane. I'll tell you that much. That's my ticket too. I'm not losing that ticket. Get that ticket back to me.
Sit in the car.
I had a flight ticket to my
Sit
home.
in the car.
Sit down.
Turn around.
Louder voices.
Watch your head.
Olson. C.R. Olson.
Hi. Sorry, we can't step off. Do you want to step on?
No, it doesn't matter. So what exactly happened?
So we were standing here boarding. We started to hear yelling down the jet bridge. We can't step off once we have passengers on. So people were like, hey, that guy's screaming back there. He's yelling curse words. He's yelling at some lady, blah, blah, blah. Comes on, angry, gets
We don't know who this person is.
They are in lockdown. You can call them. We got on, started talking to her, getting her face, pointing at her, just like, you guys, what are you saying? You're so disrespectful. And
I said, what? I go, what is that about? Now we're figuring out who it is.
yeah.
It's always the problem. They treat me differently. They look at me. People with skin like you. Your kind of skin. And then he points to the gap, but then your skin. He's pointing to the top of that. He goes, it's always you that you look at me funny and you this and you that. And then he turned the corner. morning, he goes, and they tell me, they just assume that this is my father. And so I didn't think the guy was with him, the guy that's supposedly his father. And he walked away from his dad and just beelined up the, it was the weirdest thing. I said, wait a minute, we gotta find out. So now passengers are coming in after him going, he's not well, something's wrong with him. Yeah. He was literally almost getting hit with everything.
Yeah, he just cursed and jumbled all the way up the aisle to row 30.
I don't know how we got past the gate.
So basically, from what you two said, you got alerted while boarding. People were boarding, saying, "Hey, there's a guy back there."
We could hear screaming. We just didn't know who.
And it was in the jet bridge.
It was in the jet bridge.
And then he came up here. He started with her, but then continued down the aisle.
Yeah.
And as
then
he was
I
going,
followed.
Okay. And when you followed, what happened?
I followed. I asked him to get off. He told me no. I asked probably 3 or 4 times, and then at that point I was like, okay, I need help. So I went to help her.
Okay. And now by the time you got here, he was already getting pulled off by passengers.
No, I was there before the whole altercation transpired.
Okay.
So when I got there, the flight attendant was already trying her best to get him off.
Yeah.
He wasn't complying. So as soon as I walked out, the 2 guys started having their dispute. I remember the law enforcement, but that passenger was saying to the law enforcement, "You're bad guy, you're big guy." Verbal altercations. Then next thing I saw he put his hand first.
Yeah, but not like just like calming down. It triggered. Okay. Set him off. Yeah, he was at that moment already.
And that's when I did the.
That's all.
Okay. Do you have your ID? Like your license? Okay, hold on. Let me.
So how do you know him?
He's my son.
Okay. Do you know what was going on with him? Do you know why he was so angry?
I have no idea when we entered.
Were you on the plane with him or not?
I was together.
Okay.
All the way.
So can you tell me what happened?
Just when we inside, when we went inside, somehow on the back, something they talked about it, and then maybe he got little.
Talked about what?
How can I say it? Maybe something related to racism or something.
Oh, directed toward him?
Something like that. He must have heard about it, and then he just got into argument.
Okay.
And then he went inside, and then again he got into argument with somebody on the same issue, and then aerostess came.
Were you with him when this happened?
All the time.
Okay. Any idea, has this happened before?
Never.
Never? Okay. Just happened one time?
This is the first time.
Okay. Well, he is being arrested right now for battery because he did strike somebody in here. They're taking his stuff off the plane and they're going to put it in baggage here, okay, at the airport here. So when he gets out of jail, he can come get his stuff at the baggage office if it's open. Because I understand this is an international flight, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a connecting flight going.
All right. Do you have a driver's license? Thank you. Thank you for clearing that up. It's good to know a little bit more to the story.
Yeah, but he didn't, hit the person first. The person actually pushed him first.
Well, they asked him to leave. They asked him to leave numerous times on the plane.
Yeah, that is error.
Because he was yelling and screaming. And he wouldn't leave. And they asked the captain, and the gentleman on the jet bridge went on and asked him to leave as well. He wouldn't leave, so they had to escort him off. And that's when it got physical.
Yeah, other passenger hit him first, so that's why I think it got worse.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
I have my baggage, I can pick it up? Or
No. Just his bags, I believe.
Oh, so my bag...
Are you still flying?
I have to at least see what happens to him.
He's going to Orient Road Jail. He's going to jail. He's going to Orient Road Jail. And you can try to post bond for him there. You could try to bail him out, post bond at Orient Road Jail. You could call a bondsman, a bail bondsman. You know how that works? You know how that works? How bail bondsman? He's going to go to jail. He has to bond out of jail if he wants to get out. And somebody has to pay money to make sure that he goes to court in the future to get him released from jail. If he doesn't post bond, or is what they call it, then he stays in jail. So it's up to you. He could post bond himself. He has probably a wallet, cell phone with him. He could post his own bond, or you can do it for him. So. This is where he's going. He's going to Orient Road Jail. That's in Tampa, Florida. And he or you can do it. He's going to have to post bonds for his release. Okay?
Probable cause and warrantless arrest. The Fourth Amendment permits warrantless arrest when officers hold reasonable grounds to believe a crime was committed. Multiple independent eyewitnesses, including crew and passengers, established probable cause. The subject's denial is irrelevant to the validity of the arrest decision at this stage. Aviation Removal Authority. Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44902. The pilot in command holds legal authority to refuse transport to any passenger deemed a safety threat. Once that authority is exercised, passenger refusal to comply creates independent criminal exposure and authorizes law enforcement to enforce the removal. Battery under Florida law. Florida Statute Section 784.03 defines battery as intentional unwanted physical contact. The Florida 1st District Court confirmed in Smith v. State 993. So, 2 D1133-2008. That spitting constitutes battery. Each count carries up to 1 year in county jail and a $1,000 fine. Federal aircraft interference. Under 49 U.S.C. Section 46504, threatening or intimidating a flight crew with intent to interfere with their duties is a federal felony carrying up to 20 years imprisonment. The absence of federal charges suggests prosecutors determined the threat lacked the requisite specific criminal intent or elected to proceed on clearer state-level evidence. Miranda right-to-counsel. Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 436-1966 established that custodial interrogation must cease the moment a suspect invokes the right to counsel. The subject invoked this right 4 times on camera. No magic words are required. Any clear indication of wanting an attorney triggers the full constitutional protection. Edwards Rule. Edwards v. Arizona 451 U.S. 477-1981 made the Miranda invocation irrevocable. Police cannot resume questioning through a different officer, a waiting period, or indirect methods. The only 2 lawful paths back to questioning are the presence of counsel or the suspect independently reinitiating contact. Exclusionary rule. Any statement obtained after a valid right to counsel invocation is subject to suppression at trial under MAP v. Ohio 367 U.S. 6431-961. A Miranda violation does not void the arrest, but it may eliminate key evidence and weaken the prosecution significantly at trial. Use of force standard. Graham v. Connor 490 U.S. 386-1989 requires force to be objectively reasonable based on facts known to the officer at the moment of application, not with hindsight. Given a witness battery moments prior and active non-compliance, the physical control techniques applied here fall within acceptable parameters under this standard. Self-defense limits. Florida law does not permit escalation beyond what is strictly necessary for protection. When a person is offered multiple safe opportunities to exit a situation and refuses, the self-defense claim is substantially weakened. This is a critical legal distinction in mutual combat cases and applies directly to the bystander claim raised in this footage. Key legal lessons. First, invoke the right to counsel clearly and then remain silent. Continued talking after invocation harms your case. Second, threatening an aircraft triggers federal jurisdiction regardless of stated intent. Third, self-defense does not cover refusal to de-escalate when safe exit was available. Fourth, disorderly intoxication charges require evidentiary support. Without a chemical impairment test, this charge faces serious challenge at trial.